Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw a perfectly straight line in Photoshop. So let's start the video. At first, you can use the brush tool to draw a perfectly straight line. Select the brush tool from the toolbar or you can press B on your keyboard. Now click where you want your line to start. Then hold down the Shift key and click where you want the line to end. Photoshop will draw a straight line connecting the points. There you have it. You can also use the line tool to draw a line. Select the line tool from the toolbar or press U on your keyboard. Once selected, click and drag on your canvas while holding Shift to make a perfectly straight horizontal or vertical line. Now release the mouse to place the line. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.